In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix itchio error 12,000 quickly and safely, especially if you're stuck on login failures, incorrect username or password messages, or that annoying human verification loop. This issue can happen when itchio doesn't like the current login attempt, and the fastest fix is usually to reset your credentials the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, open the itchio app or go back to the login screen where the error appears. If you see a message like login, incorrect username password, or you're being asked to complete human verification over and over, don't keep guessing your password repeatedly. That usually makes the problem worse. Instead, look for the forgot password option inside the app or on the login page. Click that option and enter the email address or username linked to your itchio account. Check your inbox for the password reset email, and if needed, also check your spam or promotions folder so you don't miss it. Once you receive the reset link, open it and create a new password. Here's the important part. If possible, set the new password back to your original password or something very close to what you were using before. In many cases, resetting it this way can help bypass the verification loop and clear the login issue. After saving the new password, return to the itchio app and sign in again using the updated credentials. Type your username and password carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces or spelling mistakes. If the login works, you should be able to get back into your account without the error 12,000 message appearing again. If it still doesn't work, repeat the reset process once more and make sure you're using the correct account email. This fix works because the app sometimes gets stuck on a bad verification state, and refreshing the password gives it a clean login session to work with. So to recap, if itchio error 12,000 is showing up with a login failure or human verification loop, use forgot password, reset your password, try setting it back to the original one, and then log in again. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.